अरे बहुत सिंपल है, आप ही के बारे में तो पूछूंगी यार,
मेरे बारे में क्या ही बोलूं मैं।
Who am I? हम मैन कम दिए हैं हम आज।
हाँ तो हमारे में सिर्फ 3 हुए थे 7 में से। अब बोलने कुछ।
खेला शुरू किया जाए।
चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
सर बन रहे हैं हमसे पहले,
सीनियर एनालिस्ट।
सीनियर एनालिस्ट। हमें अपनी कंपनी में जरूर रखिएगा।
हमारी कंपनी बनाएगी जब जरूर
हाँ
रखेंगे।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। अभी सीरीज स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है?
Okay.
हाथ छोड़ दो अब बस, ठीक है? हिल गया मेरा हाथ पूरा। Congratulations, Guman sir,
Thank
on
you,
cracking
thank you,
PwC.
thank you.
Okay, so I would like to know that what is your background? I mean, how your academic journey has been.
My background is very simple. I come from a middle class family.
Typical किसका होता है?
हाँ?
Typical किसका होता है?
नहीं, सिंपल टिपिकल में होता है लोगों का, बहुत कष्ट पीड़ा उनको होती है, बट वी आर सिंपल फैमिली मैन. I have completed my schooling from my hometown itself, that is Vapi. That's a near Daman, that is a union territory. We
Okay.
have many perks of it. We have also beaches.
Less competition.
Less competition, more discounts and everything. And with that, I have completed my BCom from MIT University, Noida. Then I am glad to join with Taxila Business School for my PGDM.
So how did you landed up to the gates of Takshila? I mean, what's the the secrecy behind that?
The main secrecy was that I had a consultant who helped me to join in the Taxila Business School. The system ma'am was there. We contact with Nikita ma'am. Then we end up with the Taxila.
So how was the process? You liked it?
Yes. It was a innovative process. I did not know about how the MBA colleges does, but for me it was my first time giving any interview or any case study. Then it was easy to do me because I have knowledge about that different things about the case. I more about in the case type. I want the numbers, the solution thing, the problem solving techniques. That helps me more in that cracking that interview.
So I believe that after joining college, the life would have turned 360, right?
Yes.
So how was that? I mean, what was the major changes you faced?
Major changes was that while in the first month I was staying in the PG, I lost around 10 kg weight of mine. I came from 70 to 60. Then I changed my. I came to a flat and then I take my own vehicle, traveling on that, doing mischief, play of enjoying with friends. That enjoying with the friends is helped me a lot because if you are staying alone in a room, what will you do in a full day, 24 hours? But the friends.
Don't you used to come college?
That's why I come to the college. Next.
Okay, so how did Takshila treated you? I mean, the journey treated you.
Very well. Because I been the topper of this college.
You were?
Yes, I was the third topper of the college.
Third topper नहीं होता है, कुछ पहला ही होता है.
In the first term, in the second term, I was second approach. And the main important task was that we have done an activity by the Dean sir.
Oh.
That you have recently done.
Yes.
We have done on a larger scale.
Okay, but
So
you did it for just one day. We did it for 2 days.
But the sales matters, the profit matters.
How much
At the
did
end,
you? How much profit did you made?
It was around 9,000.
The whole class or just your?
My group, 6 people.
Okay, we are just 1/4 of it. Fine.
That's why.
Fine.
At last, I am Gujarati plus Marwadi.
Oh, cheers to being Marwadi.
The deadly combo.
Deadly combo.
I get too much comment on this. You are a deadly combo because Gujarati plus Marwadi is the deadliest combo.
Definitely. So, I mean, being a management student, you have done of multiple number of internships, right?
Yes.
So, how was that experience?
It was very good. My first internship was in the PGP class. That was in totally corporate finance. It was basically a company of glass manufacturing. I was very happy because I don't know about. I was totally new in that field. SAP. I don't know about SAP because it's a very costlier tool where all people are not allowed to use. But I was able to run it. I was easily access to all the things. The staff, the head members, all have helped me a lot. And the second internship was in Motilal Oswal, which I loved a lot because it is in the private equity. I want to meet the rich people, and it is the ultra
Gujarati,
HNI,
no?
ultra HNI people of
Gujarati.
Surat. You can understand what level
Definitely,
that
definitely.
that helps me a lot in the internship.
So, what were your learnings from those internships?
Learnings were good. I want I came able to know that if you are doing a pitch of your product, does not pitch of first of your product. First pitch yourself,
Yeah, true.
then your product. What your company has done, then you can pitch the product. Then it will be given you success too much, and changes according to the same front person.
True.
If you have capability to
Of
pay
course.
2 crore,
Yes.
why would I say the minimum amount is 1 crore?
Yes.
I will say 2 crores.
Yes, of course.
That's
I mean, the
different
pitch
techniques.
is the key.
Yes.
And earlier, like you were mentioning that you made a lot of friends, and friends are the keys.
Yes.
So, any one experience you would like to share with us?
The experience was we few friends went to Ajmer,
Okay.
Kishangarh, and Pushkar. That trip was amazing. We enjoyed a lot because we were hired 2 cars. We went the driving part. Everybody knows that the driving with the friends are
Oh,
too easy.
damn, damn! You really cannot drive with your friends.
We can enjoy in there.
I mean, I really cannot. I mean, I know how to drive, but I cannot drive with my friends. Concentration ही नहीं बैठेगा, sir.
But we have an expert drivers now.
Oh, seniors
They are used
being,
to it.
Seniors being
Being
seniors.
seniors
Yeah,
in
yeah,
everything.
Yeah. Yes. So, any emotional memory or any emotional learning you have from this
memory.
journey?
Emotional, I don't think so. But the last final emotion is that cracking PwC, and I don't tell my father about the any round, any assessment round, not a HR round, nothing. I directly told that I am selected.
Wow.
The happiness on his face.
Proud moment, no?
Yes, that was the only emotional part. I can say that
The journey was worth it.
the journey was worth it.
So, how did Takshila Business School help you to crack PwC?
It helped me very much. They have conducted a special session for us by the CS Palwani man. Because of that, we can gain more about the knowledge about the deep knowledge about the budgets, deep knowledge about the taxation, tax regime, the different things. That helps me a lot in the interview also. They asked me the same question. I was able to tell because of that man.
Okay. And like, what was your journey? Like, the past 5 days or 1 week has been very hectic for you. So, like, what was your mindset? What was your mindset to crack the PwC? And why PwC?
Why not PwC? The question is for you. If you can get the chance to go in PwC, the big four, why not?
Exactly. Okay, got it. I got my answer. So, any one fruitful advice you would like to give to the juniors?
Juniors, be focused
Other than that, give us something crispy
and
that.
enjoy.
Okay.
It's 9 to 7. You have a liberty till 7, but you can enjoy it 9 to 7 also. We have done it. You can also do it.
बाद में tips देना, okay?
We will talk it later.
Okay. So congratulations again.
Thank you.
And thank you for
Thank
being
you
with
so
us.
much.